had a full measure of sleep.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. As you can see, we're going to be doing a makeup video today, but not any old makeup video, a vintage makeup video. There are a lot of those vintage tutorials on YouTube, and I am choosing between two of them. One is from 1940 and one, well, not 40, the 40s, and one is from the 60s. And I've looked at them both and they're pretty similar. Also, I'm dressed like a bush today. You want to see? Yeah, so I could go out in the wilderness and no one would spot me. All right, vintage makeup. Vintage makeup tutorial. I think I'm going to pick the one from 1960s. This is actually 1969, so it was only a year before I was born. It's narrated by makeup consultant Marla Craig. So apparently she knew her stuff way back when. So the makeup guru of 1969 is the narrator. Foundation.
Foundation is used as a base for the rest of your makeup. Work the foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline.
Work it from the center of the face up to the hairline. She's using her hands, so I will do the same, and I'm going to do it just like her.
Using gentle upward strokes. Make sure it's blended evenly.
That's pretty even.
Cosmeticians will guide you in your color choice. A foundation with a pink glow will brighten a sallow skin, while a reddish skin can be toned down with a beige foundation.
What about yellow skin?
Blot off excess with a tissue. If you have disturbed skin, medicated makeups are available.
They're going way too fast, but she mentioned something about disturbed skin. Mine might be a little bit disturbed by wrinkles and pores and stuff. That's disturbing. All right, I'm supposed to take the excess foundation off of my face with a tissue, but I'm not going to do that.
Dark circles under the eyes are often caused by not enough sleep and lack of iron.
Oh.
To cover them up, use a foundation.
Okay, you guys, she is flipping you off, just like I have done many times before, unintentionally, but it only proves that it's really the best way to put on makeup.
2 or 3 tones lighter than your base.
Well, that is definitely lighter than the color of my skin.
Blush is applied to give cheeks a quiet
Blush
glow.
is applied.
A good rule to follow is never let blush come nearer the nose than an imaginary line dropped vertically from the center of the eye. Blush should be applied from the center of the cheek outward and up into the temples. Blushes can also be used for contouring. Example.
Okay, wait. This is good stuff.
A tone 3 shades darker than the foundation can be used to point up a cheekbone or diminish a wide jaw.
We're going to do what she says and do that cheek thing and the jaw thing. I'm doing a little more than she did. Moving on.
Powder sets and blends your makeup. Pat on liberally.
I'm going to pat it on, but not liberally. She's going fast. Eyebrows.
Eyebrows frame the eye and focus interest on them.
You know what I feel like doing is comparing this tutorial to the tutorials that we have today.
The tapered end of the brow should form a straight line past the outer corner of the eye to the side of the nostril.
The first rule of thumb is that the inside of your brow should always align with the outside of your nostril.
To remove straggly brows, lubricate them with Vaseline or baby oil.
She's saying to lubricate the eyebrow so that you can pluck it and it won't hurt, but I'm not going to pluck it because I like to have as much as possible.
The highest point of the arch should be a straight line from the outer edge of the iris.
I like the music. Let's finish the brows. Oh, I got a little crazy. I'll mute him out. He doesn't like the chihuahuas next door. I think he wants to, you know, kill them. Shut up.
A lid highlight with a creamy pale shade is flattering to most eyes. Never wear bright, obvious evening colors.
Talk about hooded. Well, this lady better have something better up her sleeve.
For contour and emphasis, a taupe or brown shade is placed into the lid crease and just above the lid. A gleam of pearly white or beige on the bone just beneath the brow emphasizes the bone structure. Eyeliner is used to make the lashes seem longer. Apply as close to the lashes as possible, and remember, black can only be worn by girls with very black hair.
I'm thinking that's not me.
As black adds harshness to the eye.
I have brown. I always use brown. See the brown? Look at the brown. See brown.
Mascara makes lashes look longer and fuller.
Okay, that's just what I want, is longer, fuller eyelashes. Okay.
No amount of eye makeup will help if your eyes are drowsy and lackluster. To be wide-eyed and alert, a full measure of sleep is necessary.
I had a full measure of sleep.
The right food definitely relates to the clearness and sparkle of your eyes.
And donuts.
Vitamin A and plenty of water are essential for this.
I think it's lipstick time.
The generally accepted age for wearing lipstick is about 14.
I qualify.
A subtle color is the most becoming. To apply lipstick, prop your elbows firmly on the table, supporting the chin with one hand while steadying the action with your drawing hand.
Okay, it's over. So what do you guys think? Do you think that the vintage way of putting on makeup is pretty much the same as it is today? Or do you think that maybe it's gotten a little bit out of control?
Oh my God.
Let us know down in the comments below. But for now, that's it for this video on following a vintage makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You didn't learn anything. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.